How are you feeling that you get to kind of travel with the fam?
I mean, it's pretty incredible to see. It was pretty incredible to know that she was going to be able to make this movie, this huge vision of hers, and then to be here. It's really kind of hard to describe. She was like telling me to, we were putting on little performances as kids, and she was directing me then to now. So it feels oddly natural, but totally unnatural at the same time. It's an incredible film.
With Maggie, why is she so special to bring this to life? Because she told me a story about the tattoo. That's just so cool, isn't it?
Yeah. I think because this is wholly hers, it's from her mind. It was essential for her the whole time. She's made a movie that is truly her own vision. Every single piece of it was imagined by her. There's nobody else who could have done this, who could have said it in the same way. Particularly this story about the bride. I think she's just one of the most talented filmmakers out there, and this type of thing only comes from a talent like hers. It's unique and it's wholly her own.
You must be so proud. I'm gonna cry. You're making me cry.
It's been that way since we were kids. She doesn't do anything that isn't original, unique, and her own. She's absolutely one of a kind.
Amazing. Let's talk about Ronnie Reed.
Yeah.
Great character. How would you describe him to audiences, though?
He's just like a matinee idol, He's just that. I think he's really is the fantasy for Frank. He's the idea of a relationship that Frank can't find until he sees the bride, and then everything becomes real. Oh well, the other thing about it is my sister and I grew up watching those films, loving Fred Astaire, loving Singing in the Rain, all those things. That to us was what movies are, and so for her it's a real ode to that, and for us it's really about the characters and the performers we loved as kids.
Yeah, it's all about performers you love. Jessie, Christian, just walked past you.
Yeah.
They're incredible. Just that talent right now and what Jessie's achieving. How do you feel about being surrounded by that?
Well, I mean, she's already, because she made a movie with Maggie from the beginning, sort of part of our family. So that's just how it goes. And it's again, it's one of those things where when someone is that talented, obviously there's a tremendous amount of luck that goes into people being able to see that talent. But I think that she's so profound and unique and wonderful as a human, and everyone sees it, and that's why she's here.